What's good, YouTube? Back here with another reaction video. Easy million, but it's Screwface Gene. I used to watch this guy back in the day, dude. I didn't know he rapped. I just thought he just reacted to stuff. But I can't believe I didn't know they're cool like that either. What the hell? When two worlds collide, you know what I mean? I've been on this Easy Mill journey that you guys comment and you love so much, and I've been loving Easy Mill, bro. And yeah, it's just crazy to see someone new I just discovered in Easy Mill, and someone I used to react to in Screwface Gene, and I didn't even know they had a song together. It literally just popped up in one of my recommendations. I was like, oh, react to this, man. Have you guys heard this song? Let me know down below. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. What else you want me to react to? Guys, let's just get straight into it. Hold up. Let me put... Maybe that's that crispy 720, you know what I mean? Come on. Stop playing with me, man. Clean? Dude, I didn't know they're homies like this, bro. Crazy.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the...
Oh, damn.
Hello?
Bro, how you recording on that wobbly ass table, bro?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time.
Righteous and
It's
ratchet.
about that time.
Y'all already know, man. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, they got the old black on.
I came from the sand, that's my holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose to stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like...
Holy shit, dude. I didn't expect Screwface's voice, his rap, to rap like that, man. He sounds kind of like Pop Smoke. He got the real deep, raspy voice, you know what I mean? Like Pop Smoke does.
They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose to stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off in the short of Cam, righteous in the broken land. All of that chicken and all that
Like OnlyFans, you get churned on cam. Get an F on cam. Dude, that right there, when he goes, hey, hey, that shit reminds me of that Pop Smoke song. Woo! They go hard though.
What the fuck you call that? The y'all cat look at top hats. A fucking nigga want all that. You all back. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from home again, so tell them fucking.
Yeah, you can tell they're homies, bro. Like, look at the way they react to each
Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from home.
Yeah, that shit you only do around your homies. Yeah, I mean, like you don't give a shit.
So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from home again, so tell them fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. The village better run the wrong way. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant.
Eat up, Screwface, eat up! My boy hungry. Give me some food, bruh. God damn, he's spaz right there, man. He like that.
Similar situation, I'm killing in your bitch because I'm lyrically amazing. I'm killing your bitch is a blue face on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Send me the addy, we put it on now. Fuck up, we black.
Send the addy, we pulling up. Shit. Hey, these boys are bad, man.
Running you down, now you got murder on the car. Who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
Out of that chat, we can be right to the rap.
Stepping twice cause my feet hurt.
Bitch be talking, but bitch be capping. We can be right to the ratchet. Hey.
I like also I really like the contrast between their voices. Screwface very deep, raspy voice. And then Easy Mill is kind of like a lighter, like it's a lighter tone. And then you know, it's Easy Mill. I wonder if Easy Mill gonna do some vocals. You know we love the vocals on this shit, man.
We give it right to Ratchet. I came from the bottom with people on star. We give it right to Ratchet. Hey.
Shit up is stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she bent for the pole.
So ready and go, I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros.
Like a mobster, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that store.
Oh, I'm gonna pass it to my partner. That whole lead up was
Body
sweet.
on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that store, but her head's like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanca. We lots in Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and to set up your store.
Quit all of that chat. We give it right to the Ratchet. Some bitches be talking, bitches be capping. We give it right to the Ratchet. Hey, we give it right to the Ratchet.
He's singing. He's singing. He's singing. Yo, I like the energy between these two, dude. Yeah, that was dope, bro. That was dope. I like that. Yo, make sure you stream that song, man. Give them some support. I really like the energy between them. It seems like they're homies. Did they know each other do they know each other from way back, or you know, did they meet online? Because I know he'd be reacting to stuff, so maybe he reacted to his video, and then I didn't even know he rapped, bro. Damn, hey, Screwface surprised me in this one, man. Like I just didn't know he rapped, and I didn't expect him to be that good, I guess. You know what I mean? Easy Mill, as always, kills it. And then, you know, he had to get the vocals in, you know what I mean? He had to get the nice harmonization in there, you know what I mean? But, yeah, dope song, man. That's a very vibey song as well. Probably have to run it back just to listen. I was kind of just vibing to the song. I wasn't really listening to the lyrics too much. But, yeah, the energy between those two, you know, it got me moving a little bit, you know what I mean? It just made me want to enjoy the song. You know what I mean? I didn't want to really analyze it, you know? Guys, actually, Easy Mill, who has been the most famous person he has done a feature with? I wonder. If you guys know, let me know below. And, yeah, I'll be keen to check that out, eh? Guys, if you haven't subscribed, liked, and comment, make sure you do that now. Comment down below what else you want me to react to. And I'll see you guys in the next video, baby. Peace!